Namaste and welcome to day 22 of Mindful 30 journey. Well, today's practice is about joy. I really want you to channelize that inner child in you. Find out that source of joy within you for this practice and for this journey and also for your day if possible. Yes, with that, let's get started by standing into a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and chest. Keep your both hands on the navel. We're going to chant Om sound together after the next inhalation. Inhale. Welcoming this day with a beautiful smile, that sense of joy within you. Bring out the child from the inside and let it play outside into the world. Slowly relax your hands. Take your time to open your eyes. Lovely. We're going to start with just opening the legs wide, hands on your waist, and we're going to make as big hip circle as you can. Think of big smiley on the front and big smiley on the back. Yes, juice it out completely. Beautiful. Relax your face, enjoy it. Hip rolls are actually very good. They make you feel very nice, welcome and confident. Yes, see that happening. And now reverse it. Slow big hip circles, nice and long, from every corner of the room. Reach out everywhere. And slowly center. Push it extremely to the right side. You'll feel some work happening here, a little bit here for some people. And center to the other side. And center. We're going to start with a little swing. If you want to avoid a lot of swing, you can go slow and control. But I want to suggest you to start with knees bent for the first few rounds. You're going to take your arms and think of it like a pendulum and let it go. Don't control it. Don't stop it anywhere. Just let go of it fully back and take your body down. And you exhale. Okay, now when you exhale from your mouth. Like that together. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. If you want to add straight knees, you can do that. Feel it on your hamstring. Last one. And relax. Let your body stand still. Close your eyes. Give it some time to breathe naturally. Beautiful. From here, you can keep your both arms, stretch your head in front of you. You can try to just touch your knees up as high as you can. And if you want, you can take your legs straight. The choice is yours. Yes, let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Don't bend your body. Yes, keep it straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lovely. Now we're going to do one hand, one leg. Opposite hand, opposite leg. So you're going to keep your right leg behind. Left arm stretch out. And just go up and kick. And back. Good. 10. Back. Beautiful. 9. Amazing. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. Beautiful. 3. 2. As high as you want. 1. Amazing. Listen to yourself. Don't over push, okay? Use the breath to help you. Breath is the biggest key. Exhale when you kick it up. Okay? 1. Good. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7, 8, last one, 9, and 10. Whew, that was good. Stand still, close your eyes and just breathe. Slowly open your legs wide. Turn out both the feet facing outwards. Bend the knees and we're going to go to Kali Asana, goddess pose. Join your palms and hold it there with me. Hold it with a smile. Relax your face and breathe. Keep your hips and shoulders in one line. You're doing good. Amazing. Just stay there. From here, drop both the elbows on your thighs. Almost there, I promise. Stay. Breathe. Drop one hand down, other hand down. Stay. Don't come up. Now get your right hand in center. Take your left hand to the side. Whew, that's so good. See if you can drop your right elbow down. Breathe or just stay on your palms. I promise. Just stay there. Stay. Don't give up on me. Change sides. Change sides. Breathe. Bear with me. Slowly, hands on the floor, and now straighten the leg just as much as you can. Whew, this is so good. Just stay there, shake your hips right to left. Yes, we did it in the start of the practice. Just shake it off. Now see if you can take both the hands on the left side, on your left leg, and just stay. Not very long. Both the hands on the right side. Stay. Center. Now from here, all you have to do is get your both hands on the waist. You can bend the knees if you want and use your head to come up, straight spine. Whew. If you're feeling dizzy, just close your eyes and sit on the floor. Breathe there for some time. Slowly get your legs together. This is lovely. We're going to just forward fold. See if you want to grab your ankles, grab your big toes, or keep your hands under the feet. You have all the options. Shift your weight on the toes, relax your head down, bend your elbows and breathe. From here, you're going to relax your hands down, sit down on the floor. That is so good. We're going to get into butterfly position. Yes. Bring that child from inside and let that butterfly flap its wings as fast as you can with all the happiness, all the joy, all the notoriousness, all the emotions you think you had as a kid. Let it come out on the surface. Yes. Breathe. Okay, so we're going to try the super fun practice. Again, the idea is to have fun, no judging yourself, okay? It's called the merry-go-round in the butterfly position. All you have to do is grab your ankles nicely. Make sure you let go on one side. Don't fall on your shoulder, control it, okay? Just go on the side and make a good circle and then try to use your core to come up. Yes, and then you do the same thing till you complete a circle. It is actually supposed to be a super fun practice if you take it as fun. Yes, if you feel this is a lot for you, just stay in that butterfly and flap your wings. I personally used to enjoy this as a kid, which can say that I had a very hyperactive childhood, and now also I am into a hyperactive state majority of the time. So yes, I still enjoy all of these. So see if you find this fun, see if you want to do this. Try it a little bit, couple of times, see if you can make a full circle. Make sure you don't trip yourself onto something. Clear your surroundings. And if you're able to do a full circle, I would love to see some videos. Flap that wings. While you choose to wait for everyone else, just flap those wings. And slowly get your knees pushing down from your palms. Don't hold on to your knee directly, just on your thighs. Push down, 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 and release. Get your knees in. It was beautiful. Like we said, joy. I want you to channelize that happy baby. This position is actually called happy baby because whenever you see a child being very happy, he or she will be in this position like this. Yes? So we're just going to be in the same position, channelize their happiness, and just stay there. Cradle it a little left to right. Stay in center, push both the shoulders down, chin down, and just breathe. Almost there, just breathe it out. Slowly release the hands, get your heels down, and hug both the knees. Hug the knees and go side to side. Massage your spine, massage your back. Slowly release the legs. Straighten your palms facing upwards, shoulders relax. And just stay there. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you let this child inside you stay alive and let it be outside in the world as well whenever needed. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead.